What if I told you you can get millions of views on YouTube Shorts without filming anything or showing your face and just using free AI tools? Sounds crazy? I've studied real channels that are getting millions of views, and I'm going to show you exactly how they do it step by step. But before anything, take a look at this channel. It was able to make 100,000 subscribers in its first month of uploading, and now it has 150,000 in just 2 months. It was created in February 2025 and blew up super fast with this simple niche. This short right here pulled in millions of views, made entirely with AI from the visuals to the animation. And in this video, I'll walk you through the full process of making one yourself. You only need 5 simple steps. Let's dive into the first one. Know what's trending. If you want to go viral, you need to ride the wave before it crashes. Know what's popping, what's funny, what's emotional. Catch it early, and the views will follow. And the good thing is, in this niche, you don't need to search a lot. There are 3 to 4 viral scripts. Make them, and recreate them with different footage. By just doing that for a month, this channel made 100,000 subs. And I'll give you 2 viral scripts you can copy. Poor cat eating garbage. Rich cat's laughing at him. Poor cat crying and showing an empty wallet. Starts working hard and collects coins after each job. Becomes rich. Rich cat's now shocked. In this video, I'll use script 2, which I'll show you in step 2. Generate the images. You'll use 2 free tools, ChatGPT for writing image prompts and Leonardo AI for generating those images. First, open ChatGPT and ask for something like, give me a prompt to generate an image of 2 gray cats on 2 legs, hitting an orange poor kitten wearing a t-shirt with holes on it. Then open Leonardo AI. Go with flow state. Change vibe to Pro Photo. Lighting to none. Shot type to epic. Color theme to none. Set dimensions to mobile and uncheck those 3 checkboxes. Then paste the prompt and generate the image. Get good images. That's it. Now go to ChatGPT and give your character a name so the main character stays consistent. Here I chose the name Kitty for the orange cat. Now build the story scene by scene. Ask ChatGPT for the next prompts and create the photos. Here's the flow. Kitty crying. Kitty looking at the mirror, sad. Kitty training hard, doing push-ups, lifting dumbbells, boxing. Kitty grows and becomes muscular. The 2 gray cats are shocked. Kitty laughing. If you want, you can upscale the images if you have a paid plan. But I said totally free. Right. Here's a free image upscaler website I use myself to make better photos. Just make sure to use it in incognito mode to skip making an account. All you need to do is select the image and upscale it, up to 4x. Since Leonardo AI already generates high-quality images, you might not notice a big difference, but if the original image quality is low, I highly recommend using the upscaler. And now step 3, animate the images. I personally prefer Kling AI for this job. You can use it unlimitedly. If you don't know how, watch the tutorial on my channel and you're good. And don't forget to subscribe. Upload the image, type a simple action like the 2 gray cats hitting the orange kitten. Change the mode to Pro for better results and submit. Do this for every scene and download the clips when they're done. Now we've got to deal with the watermark. I'll drop the link to this website in the description along with the others we used. It lets you remove watermarks from videos under 5 seconds. Super quick and easy. Just upload your clip, drag the blue box over the watermark and hit remove. Here's the result. It might look a little blurry at times, but for YouTube Shorts, it definitely gets the job done. Step 4, add music. Use trending audio, you can find it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, just like this. Match the video cuts to the beats. This makes your video flow perfectly. And now, with the final step, editing. Use any editing tool. I use CapCut because it's easy and free. Drop all the clips on the timeline, add the background music. Sync emotional beats, laughing, crying, with the music. Adjust scene speed to keep the total video under 60 seconds. And a pro tip, add some filters. It makes the short more realistic and engaging. Once everything's good, export your video. And here's the result. Well, the result looks good, but we can make it even better and way more fun by giving our kitten a voice. And for that, we're using Dupdub, an AI platform with multiple powerful features. Let me show you how it works. First, open the AI avatar tool. Upload our kitten picture, type in the line what we want her to say, and choose a voice. You can even select an emotion for the voice. Then hit generate.
Why are they always picking on me? One day, I'll show them.
Nice. That works perfectly. Just repeat the same steps to create the other scenes. Now let's add a narrator to spice things up. And for that, we'll use the gesture avatar feature. It's perfect for shorts, storytelling, or any creative project where you want an AI character to speak directly to your audience. A lot of choices, and all we need to do is select one, type a text, and generate.
That's why you don't bully the weak. The ones you mock today might be the ones you fear tomorrow.
And here's what I like the most about Dupdub: the huge voice library and the fact that you can fully customize it to match your style. You can choose from more than 700 voices in all styles and languages.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine that you are standing in front of a
Hey, Mommy. Why do horses walk on 4 legs, but chicken only walks on 2?
Including cartoon characters.
I'm ready. I'll give you the Krabby Patty secret formula.
Is mayonnaise an instrument, or what? Never mind.
Plus adjust emotion, speed, add pauses, sound effects, and more. Check out this voice I created with it.
Where did they go? Fast, fast! From here!
You can try Dupdub's other features yourself. You'll find the link in the description to try it free for 3 days. And here's the new version.
Why are they always picking on me? One day, I'll show them. No more crying. Time to change. One more.
After all those hours chasing lasers and lifting cans of tuna, I'm not just a house cat anymore. I'm Meow Velis. That's why you don't bully the weak. The ones you mock today might be the ones you fear tomorrow.
Amazing! Now you're ready to post your first video. Start with a simple and catchy title. For example, poor cat was bullied by big cats on the street. Add hashtags like poor cat and your channel's name. For the description, just tweak the title a bit. Keep it short and relevant. Create a playlist if you want to keep similar videos grouped. It helps with viewer navigation. Under audience, select no, it's not made for kids, and mark yes for altered content, since the full video is made with AI. Don't forget to add tags like funny cat AI shorts. They can help reach the right audience. Click next until you reach video elements. Add related videos if you have any, or skip. Last step, set visibility to unlisted, hit save, and let YouTube do its copyright check. Once that's done, hit publish. Stay consistent and post daily. Then watch the results roll in. But hey, if this niche isn't really your thing, no problem. Just hit that subscribe button because I'll be sharing more viral niches you can try. We'll even start a brand new YouTube Shorts channel together from scratch, so you can follow the full journey step by step. Oh, and one more thing. The creator of the channel I showed earlier actually uploaded a video explaining exactly how he did it. If you want to dive deeper into this niche, you'll find his video and all the links in the description below.